For best experience, use your headphones.
The next important topic is mode of group data. Definitely there will be one question on mode where you can get 3 marks. There will be compulsory question on mode of group data in the final exam. First we will recall 2 definitions from your 8th and 9th standard. That is, the score repeated most or highest number of times is called as mode. When they give you a set of scores, if any one score will be repeated most number of times, that score will be called as mode. Next, suppose if they give you scores and frequency. Suppose if scores and frequencies are given, then how to identify mode? The score with highest frequency is called mode. The score with highest frequency is called mode. These two we have learned in previous class. Now in 10th standard, what they'll do? They'll give you class interval and frequency. Then we have a formula to calculate mode. So remembering this formula is very, very important. Remembering this formula is very, very important. So formula and description is as follows. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 close the bracket into H. Now one by one we'll analyze the letter L. Lower limit of model class. Lower limit of model class. Lower limit of model class. The class interval which is having highest frequency. Next H. Size of class interval. H is size of class interval. Next F1. Frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. Next F0 is frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding means previous. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. F2 frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding means next to model class. So this is what you have to remember to solve or to find the mode of the given frequency distribution table. We will definitely learn with a problem. So first problem. The following table shows the ages of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode of the data given. So frequency distribution table is given here. Okay. Ages in years, number of patients 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Number of patients 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. You have to see here which is the highest frequency. This is the highest frequency F1. Okay. So this will become the model class. Okay, F1. Then previous to F1. Previous to F1, this is F0. Previous to F1 will become F0. Succeeding to F1, this will become F2. Okay, F1 previous to this is F0, succeeding to this. That means next is F2. What is F1? F1 is 23. What is F0? 21. What is F2? 14. After this, what do you want? I want L. I want L. L means lower limit of the model class. Here, which is the model class? This is the model class. This is the model class. This is the model class. Which is the lower limit? 35 is the lower limit. Which is the lower limit? 35 is the lower limit. Next you want H. What is the size of the class interval? 15 minus 5, 10. 25 minus 15, 10. 35 minus 25, 10. That means the size of the class interval is 10. If you subtract lower limit from the upper limit, you will get the size of the class interval. Now you have to remember the formula. What is that? Mode is equal to L plus, open the bracket, F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You should never interchange these numbers. If you interchange these numbers, this f1 here, f0 here, like that. If you interchange, the entire sum will be wrong. So you have to observe carefully. Bahat, L. What is L? 35. Substitute the values. Plus, open the bracket. What is f1? f1 is 23. Minus what is f0? 21. Divided by, what is 2 into f1? 2 into 23. Minus what is f0? 21. What is f2? f2 is 14. Close the bracket. What is h? h is 10 into 10. Okay. Now slowly we have to simplify. Mod is equal to, let 35 be as it is, plus, open the bracket. Even you should never forget writing this plus. 23 minus 21 gives you 2. Divided by 2 3s are 6, that means 46. Minus 21 minus 14 into 10. Okay. Next, mod is equal to 35 plus 2 will remain as it is in the numerator. 46 you should write as it is, because these two have same signs. Write the same sign and add the number. 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 1 3 into 10. Next, mod is equal to 35 plus, open the bracket, 2 in the numerator will remain as it is. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 into 10. Okay. Now the last simplification. Mod is equal to 35 plus 2 into 10, 20 by 11. Okay. So 35 will remain as it is. 20 by 11. What is 20 by 11? 20 by 11, if you divide, you get it as, you want me to divide and show? Okay, I am showing you here. 20, this is the working. 20 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. So 20 minus 11, 9.0. 11 8s are 88. That means how much? 1.8. So mod is equal to 35 plus 1, 36.8. So what is the mode of the given frequency distribution table? 36.8. Now second sum. Find the mode of the following data. Class interval is given. 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. What is frequency? Frequency is 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 2. To find mode, first we have to identify highest frequency. You can notice the highest frequency, you get it here. 10 is the highest frequency. 10 is the highest frequency. Highest frequency will be considered as F1. Next, preceding to that is 9. 9 is F0. Succeeding to this, that is F2. F2 is 3. So I am listing F1 10, F0 9, F2 is 3. Afterwards you need L. L is here, the lower limit of the model class. Highest frequency is important. That is the model class. Model class which is having the highest frequency. Model class means the class interval which is having the highest frequency. The lower limit of this class interval is L. 30. Afterwards H. 20 minus 15 5. 25 minus 25. 30 minus 25 5. So the size of the class interval is 5. Now after this, what is important? Formula is important. What is important? Formula is important. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now substitute all the values. What you should do? You should substitute the values. What is L? L is 30 plus, open the bracket, F1 is 10, F0 is 9, denominator 2 into F1, 2 into 10 minus F0 is 9, F2 is 3, close the bracket, into h is 5. Now it is pure simplification. Mode is equal to 30 plus, open the bracket, 10 minus 9 is 1, divided by 2 into 10, 20, minus 9 minus 3. Both the signs are same. Write the same sign and add the number. 9. 9 and 3 when you add, you are going to get 12. Close the bracket. Into 5. Mode is equal to 30 plus. Don't forget to write the plus. So 1 will remain as it is. Divided by 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 into 5. Now mode is equal to 30 plus 5 ones are 5 by 8 is equal to 30 plus 5 by 8. You have to divide. I am dividing here. 5 is in the numerator, 8 is in the denominator. Working 0.50. 8 ones are 8. If you know the tables, it is clear that 8 6 are 48. Okay. So here the remainder is 2. Because of this decimal point, definitely you can take 0. 8 2s are 16, 4, 0. 8 5s are 40. So, what is the division of 5 by 8? 0.625. So, mode is equal to 30.625. What is the mode of the given class interval? 30.625. Next, one more sum. Find mode of the following data. Class interval is given 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10000, 10000 to 11000. What is frequency given? 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. To find mode, first we have to identify the highest frequency of the given frequency distribution table, and you can notice 18 is highest frequency distribution table. So highest frequency of the distribution table. So F1 preceding, that is 4. This will become F0. Succeeding, that is 9. This will become F2. Now list everything. F1 18, F0 4, F2 9. I want L. L means the lower limit of the class interval having highest frequency. Okay, this is called model class. 4000 is the lower limit. Next, I need size of the class interval. If you notice, 3000 to 4000, it is 1000. 4000 to 5000, it is 1000. 5000 to 6000, 1000. That means size of the class interval is 1000. Now formula. What is the formula? Mode is equal to L plus, open the bracket, F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. Now one by one we have to substitute. So mode is equal to, what is L? L is 4000. L is 4000 plus, open the bracket. What is F1? F1 is 18. It is already listed here. Minus, what is F0? 4. Divided by 2 into F1 means 2 into 18. F0 is 4. Minus, what is F2? 9. Close the bracket. Into, what is H? 1000. Now, mode is equal to 4000 plus, open the bracket, 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. In the denominator, what you will get? 2 into 18, it is 36. Both the signs are same. Write the same sign and add the number. 9 plus 4, 13. Close the bracket. Into 1000. Next, mode is equal to 4000 plus. Simplify this. What do I have to do? I have to simplify this. 14 will remain as it is. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, 23. Into 1000. Now mode is equal to 4000 plus 14 into 1000. 14 into 1000, 14,000. Correct? Divided by 23. Okay, now what I am doing, I am dividing because this is 23, not 223. I have to divide 14,000 by 23. Okay, so when you divide, mode is equal to 4,000 plus, when you divide this, you will get 608.6. So what is mode? Mode is equal to 4608.6. 4608.6. If you add 4608, it will become 4608.6 is the mode of the given frequency distribution table. Now, suppose if you think, oh sir, did not divide, I am dividing here and I am showing, that is 14,000 divided by 23. So 23, 6 are, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13, 138. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0, 0. Now bring down this 20. Because you can't divide 20, take a 0 here and then bring down next to 0. It will become 200. Okay. So 8s are, 8 3s are 24, 2 carry. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 184. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. You can keep a decimal point and add a 0. 23 6 are, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So here it will be 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. And it will continue. Again you have to take 0 and continue. One decimal division is enough. So like that I will get 608.6. So mode is equal to 4608.6. Now, 2 homework sum you have. First sum. Of course, the heading is the mode of the following data. Find the mode of the following data. First sum, class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15 and 8. You have to find the mode of this first question. Second question I have selected is class interval and frequency is given. Class interval 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Then what is frequency? 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29 is the frequency. So you have to find mode for first and second. The procedure remains same. Whatever I have taught to you in previous 3 sums.